Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Wallahi, this is the final video of the KitchenAid washing machine because the transmission fluid is leaking underneath the machine. I don't know if you could see it, but there's definitely some transmission fluid leaking. So I'm gonna show you what it sounds like. It's like a shatter in the transmission. Doesn't sound like shatter, but on the spin cycle it kind of does. Thankfully the transmission still works. As you can see, the agitator dogs are good, but we have to get a new Speed Queen and the dryer is getting replaced too, although it still works. We're not allowed to use this.